How often do you see a one-bedroom that has the best view within the development? Today we have a one-bed, one-bath at 474 square feet at Riversound Residence. This unit is situated on a high floor with the best unblocked view you can find within the development. Why you should consider Riversound Residence as an investment or own stay is that it has an extremely large land of over 210,000 square feet. What it means to you as a buyer is that there is many facilities that includes the beautiful infinity pool right behind me. On top of that, we also have a tennis court, gym, clubhouses and many children playground as facilities. Our unit is also located at the corner, which is extremely rare for a one-bedroom. What it also means to you is that our corner unit do have windows in the bathroom. So it means we do not have the typical one-bedroom where there is ventilation fan. Our development is within 5 minutes walk to Kangkar LRT stations. On top of that, there is also 1 kilometer to 5 primary schools within this unit itself. Keen on this unit, do reach out to me prior before this unit gets stepped up.